Hi everybody, this is Noelle from Petitti Garden Centers, and we're down here at Oakwood Village in the annual department, and we're doing a little plant spotlight on flowering Vinca. Now, flowering Vinca that you see here, it's got a bunch of different names: Madagascar periwinkle, the botanical name is Catharanthus rosea. But it is a phenomenal bedding plant for us, especially for those of you that kind of like the impatient look, except you need it for full sun areas. Now, these guys work great in full sun. They do wonderful in part shade as well. But what's really key here is that they will bloom all season long because they are an annual, but they are very, very tolerant of heat and drought. So if you are one of those people that doesn't necessarily get out there and water too often or as often as you should, this is a great plant for you. We use them in all different applications, from bedding plants, ground covers, obviously mixed containers. I have a mixed container here with them. So normally with these annuals, you don't see them early in May. They start to come into the garden center a little bit later in the season. So later May, early June, mid-June, that's when you really see them start up, because again, they're heat lovers. So once that soil starts to heat up, they are ready to go, ready to be planted. If the soil's cold and the air temperature is cold, you won't see these do very well. So that's why a little bit later you tend to see them come out. Here's the other thing. They are part of the dog bane family. There's many tropical members to this. There's many perennial members to this family. Tropical member would be like Mandevilla. Perennial family would be like Asclepias or butterfly weed. So these are very good plants that have milky sap, and that makes them very resistant to deer and bunnies, okay? So just keep that in mind. They're a great annual for you, all season of color. The color range is usually in the reds, the pinks, the whites. There's a beautiful apricot that I have here, Cora apricot. I also have a mix right in front of me that I love with the pink and the white. Sometimes the eyes or the centers of the flowers can be dark red. Sometimes they're lighter. Sometimes the colors kind of change a little bit. There's one called strawberry, Cora strawberry. It's real pretty, like a lighter pink on the outside of the petal, and it moves to a deeper pink to the eye. So do look for those. Your height here is about, I would say, anywhere between like 8 inches to about 14, 16 inches high. And then the spread is about 12 to 18 inches on one single plant. So again, awesome bedding plant, great for containers. Mix them with any plant material that really likes the sun, and you'll do great. Enjoy.